think it's about time to do something new. Welcome everybody back to the VFW Games channel. Welcome everybody back to the VFW. It's VFW figures, whatever the hell you wanna call me. I'm not fucking 12, 13. But, what up, y'all? We're actually gonna do something new this time. No more Among Us. Well, the Among Us series is not done. Like, we're gonna try Subway Surfers. I know how to play Subway Surfers. Oh, I didn't mean to click go. I've played Subway Surfers before. I jumped. Oh my god. I jumped too high. Too far. I jumped too fast. But I know how to play Subway Surfers. I've scored 1 million in this game before. I've screenshotted it, but that was on my other phone, so I won't be able to show you guys badly. Let's just use the score boost since I don't feel like doing all this shit. Okay, yes. Here we go. What is that? Why was my phone buzzing? That was weird. Don't mind that. Cuck up, VFW. Cuck up, boy. This is gonna be a series just like the Among Us series. So expect more Subway Surfers like today or tomorrow. Like later today or tomorrow. We definitely had a double upload today. So we had the Among Us video already. But if you've seen the Among Us video already, go check it out. If you haven't, go check it out. Wait, what? If you haven't checked out the video, go watch it. And oh yeah, I lied. Do I score? I'll just screenshot this. Oh yeah, and I have a hurt wrist today, so. Yeah. Don't worry, Jack. This is not gonna be the last Subway Surfers game we're gonna do. We're gonna do more. Okay, I don't even care. It should boost me up to like 20,000, like 20k, or near 20k. Yeah, 20k. There we go. The cheat code is real. The cheat code is real, chat. And oh my god. I'll watch a fucking ad. I guess I'll watch an ad. If I didn't use the score boosting things, I probably would have had like 100 or 1,000. Probably would have had 1,000 or 100. So, we're just gonna wait for this stupid ad. I'm tired. For me, it's 11, 12 for me right now. Oh wait, the premiere for Among Us is about to start for me. But by the time you're watching this, the premiere already happened, and you guys know what already happened. So. Okay, you're back. Shoot. I don't know why my phone keeps buzzing. Sorry about that, chat. God damn. It's fine. I can deal with a new high score. I'm gonna screenshot this too. Okay, 35,000. Yes, we have to at least get a 50,000 by the end of the video. At least 50,000. by the end of this video. I have 10K? I have 10K coins? Okay. I don't even care. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, that was quick. I wasted all that money just to go to 9K. I'm gonna not do that again. I'm not doing that ever again. I just wasted my money on that. I got my first pumpkin. Okay, here we go. This is one of my favorite parts about stuff. Oh my god! I almost died. I'm too good at this. Fuck. We're gonna forget I said I'm too good at this. We're gonna forget about that. Okay. See, it's going slow. Will you die if you go in the goo? No, I'm paying attention too much to the goo. I'm not even paying attention to the actual game. Okay, lock in. You know what? Fuck that. Actually, no. Bro! Oh, I think I know what it is. I think it's when I go up in the air in the subway. I think it's when I go in the air, it vibrates. I think that's why it vibrates. Because it vibrates when I hit something and I get dizzy. Let me try it again. See? Oh, yeah. Yeah. I know what it is. I'm gonna try to fix that after this video. So you won't be dealing with the vibrations anymore. I gotta change the song. I don't like the song. Okay. Well, now I can change the song. Oh, God. Okay, I got a score boost. Let's go. What else I got? Oh, I got some coins. I got 1,000. Okay. I'm not going on Facebook. Free. I got a free one. Oh, I got some keys. Oh, let's go. W. Okay, let's change the song. The song is Booty Chase. This is not the default. This is not the default. We want the OG game song. I think it's this one. Oh hell no, that one's ass. Who was? Yeah. Did it. Damn. Oh. Forget about it. It's probably gonna be like the last game, maybe. Maybe the last game. It crazy. What do I get? That. That's all I get. I don't care about that thing. Why are events long? That's weird. Or maybe because I just re-downloaded the game. I had to uninstall because of my storage issues. That's also one of the reasons why I took a break for 1 month. So, because of my storage. Storage, school, and family time. So, where can I do this? I think it's this one.